Keto diet plan. Starting a keto diet and reaping the benefits. Everyone and their grandmother keep hailing the keto diet like it's the latest fat loss miracle around. There are hundreds of books and websites dedicated to the keto niche. This diet has skyrocketed in popularity and is seen as one of the fastest and most effective ways to lose weight. However, besides just accelerating fat loss, there are many other benefits that can be accrued by adopting this fat-based diet. Let's look at 7 health benefits of the keto diet. 1. Stabilizes your blood sugar levels. The insulin hormone is the main factor when it comes to weight gain. The keto diet plan is rich in fat and very low in carbohydrates. So, the diet does not spike your blood sugar levels. This in turn prevents unnecessary weight gain because excess insulin will not be shuttled off into your fat stores. Type 2 diabetes patients will benefit from the keto diet because it will regulate and improve insulin sensitivity, while keeping their blood glucose levels stable. 2. Reduces inflammation. The keto diet is very low in sugar. Any sugars that you find in your diet will come from fruit. Note, only to be consumed occasionally, which is safe. Since sugar is the real culprit when it comes to inflammation, you'll notice that the aches and pains you were experiencing has miraculously disappeared. 3. Lower cholesterol levels. Once again, this is tied to your sugar consumption. For decades, it was believed that fatty foods raise your cholesterol levels. However, in the latest studies, doctors are discovering that most cholesterol is produced by the body and not a result of dietary choices. When sugary foods inflame the body, it releases a wax-like substance to cover and protect the cells. This is the body's way of self-preservation. This waxy substance is known as cholesterol. The keto diet plan eliminates excessive sugar consumption by eliminating processed foods, etc. As a result, your inflammation drops along with your bad cholesterol levels. When combined with the healthy fats consumed in the keto diet, this two-pronged approach proves highly effective for reducing bad cholesterol levels and restoring your health. 4. Increased energy. Most people on the keto diet report feeling more energetic once they are in ketosis. Since the body is burning ketones for fuel rather than glucose, it has ample amounts of body fat to tap into. Not only will the body be burning up fat, but ketones are a cleaner fuel source too. Your moods will be better because your body is not subject to ebbs and flows of glucose. On a normal diet, you'll crave for carbs when your energy levels dip because the body uses glucose as a fuel source. You'll not have such issues with the keto diet. 5. Appetite under control. When on a keto diet plan, since your blood sugar levels are stable and your body is fat adapted, you'll not be craving food all the time as is commonly seen with other diets. Many people on a keto diet report not feeling hungry throughout the day because the body always has a source of fuel. In fact, drinking a bulletproof coffee in the morning is enough to keep them going until late afternoon. Once the keto diet suppresses ghrelin, your hunger hormone, you'll be less likely to overeat and your weight will drop easily. These are 5 of the best health benefits that you can derive from the keto diet. Give it a try today and you'll be amazed at how much your health improves. We highly recommend you check out this amazing custom meal plan service that is designed to help men and women all over the world turn their lives around and take charge of their health and figure. The custom keto diet is a brand new product that allows someone to create their very own keto diet plan based on their food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight and target weight goals. They use scientific research and proven studies to create personalized ketogenic diet plans that maximize fat burning via the correct calories and macronutrients for each individual. The customer's keto diet plan is available to access immediately. For more details, click the link in the description box below this video today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.